You have a vase like this. You like it, you need it, but the color doesn't suit your home. Paint it, don't throw it away. As always, the first step is our bar, a liter of hot water. Half a glass of ammonia and a bit of baking soda. This magical potion helps us to degrease the surface very well. Magic paint adheres very well even to iron and glossy materials on any glossy surface. So don't worry, after degreasing, your surface is perfectly ready for painting. I rinse with a clean cloth. When the surface is smooth, shiny, and glossy, and it makes this noise, which means it is definitely ready to be repainted. I really like these rope and metal handles, so I absolutely won't paint them. I'll protect them with a piece of paper tape. This is how you do it. Go around and protect everything. I chose to use royal green, a beautiful deep sage green. It will completely change the style of my vase. I take the pointed brush and let's paint. I paint it all, both inside and out, because it's large and would be visible. Look how well it adheres. The first coat is a base, just a first one to create adhesion. The second one will make the entire surface perfect. Here you go. If you are always in a hurry and want to see the result, speed it up with a hairdryer. Since it's iron, it will dry even faster. The first coat is dry and I put a cloth underneath so I don't scratch the bottom. I'm starting with the second coat, always pure. Look how well it covers. The second coat is dry. I remove the tape. If there are any flaws, I can fix them before adding the protective coat. The protective coat is transparent, so it doesn't stain the handles. My handle is unfortunately a bit loose, so I am going to touch up those areas where there is still a bit of red. I use a smaller brush. Before we start having fun and decorating our beautiful vase, I begin by carefully applying a coat of protective finish. I do this because it makes the surface beautiful, protected, smooth, and of course washable, and it will be perfect for making the decorative transfer adhere very well. I have already diluted my protective paint with water, 20%, and I use a good brush that doesn't leave marks. It's better to use magic paint products paired with magic paint brushes. Depending on the wear your vase will have, decide whether to apply 1 or 2 coats of protective paint. But if you put plants inside, make sure to use a saucer as well. For surfaces in contact with water, you should use the water-repellent magic paint, Magic Water Cerulean Blooms. This transfer is very large. You could even use it on a piece of furniture, but I only used half of it, so I can keep cutting it to create more projects. In fact, now with my scissors, before peeling it off, I cut out everything I need. And in this way, I will be able to place the designs exactly where I want. I also cut out my beautiful butterfly that I can place wherever I like. And now I start by positioning at least the flowers. Try to place the design to see if you might like it. I really love it. I adore these tone-on-tone finishes. Now I will try to place the flower where I want it and go a little lower with the other flowers so that the cut is not visible. And voila, look how beautiful it is. Now I use the provided sticks and a brush to make the design adhere well to the entire surface. Let's make sure to apply all the fine details, brushing well and with energy. And this is the first part of the design. Now I will continue and apply it to the back as well, and also a little bit here. My vase is almost finished. You have two options. If you decide to keep it indoors, you can leave it as it is without applying another coat of protection. Otherwise, you should apply another coat of protective finish like the one you used before. Only one coat, not two, or it will peel off. How beautiful! And all sides are different. I love it. To follow all the steps and buy Magic Paint products, visit the website www.magicpaint.it. Do you want to buy it online since there isn't any retailer near you? Visit www.elisirom.com. The only Italian website that sells magic paint. Beware of imitations. Not on Amazon. Goodbye.